Hi guys. So today we have the topic formation of quadratic equation if roots are given. Roots are the values of x in a quadratic equation. Here there is no quadratic equation, as you can see. In fact, we have to make this quadratic equation on the basis of roots that have been given to us. For example, in this question it says form the quadratic equation whose roots are 4 and 7. Remember, 4 and 7 are the values of x, which in our last video we had supposed them to be equal to alpha and beta respectively. Alright? Now, having got alpha and beta, how do we find the quadratic equation? Okay, which is what we have to do in this video. Alright? Now, let us start. Okay, what we have to do is that we use, using x square minus s x plus product, formula, we'll derive the quadratic equation where s is equal to alpha plus beta and p equals to alpha and beta. Correct? Now alpha is 4 and beta is 7. Alright? So let us find out the sum first. Okay? Since alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to 7, therefore alpha plus beta will be equal to 4 plus 7, which is equal to 11, right? Similarly, we find out alpha and beta, that is 4.7, which is equal to 28. Alright? So as a result, now we can always lay out this in a more elaborate manner. Since x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, the quadratic equation, putting the values we get of alpha beta as 7x, and for alpha beta we have 28, equals to 0. Well, this is the answer, and this is not at all difficult. Am I right? So should we try another one which is a little complex than this, which will have certain element of minus also? How would you deal then? So again we are using using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta we have alpha plus beta equals to what? Minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. Alright? And alpha beta is equal to what? Minus 2 dot 3, which is equal to 6 with a minus sign. When we place or substitute into this, we get x square minus, for sum it's easy, for alpha beta we can write within bracket 6 in negative and 0. So x square, this is minus x, and this is plus minus minus 6 equals to 0. This is our answer. Okay. So have you got it? So it's not very difficult at all. But this is important. Okay. So you will find such sums coming for your exam. Alright guys. So thank you so much for watching the video. And I hope you have understood. In case there's still any doubt, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.